Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another look for 31 days of Halloween, and that look is Meg from Hercules. I have the big ponytail on with the big hair. I love it. It's very heavy. But yeah, so I'm doing Meg. This is one of my more simple looks. I thought I would give you guys something more simple, less horror related, and something more pretty because some people like to be pretty on Halloween too, and that is okay. I'll tell you guys right now, the dress is from Shein. It is not an exact replica, but I think it is perfect. And the makeup's really easy and with mostly drugstore and ColourPop products. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then just keep watching. Right, so I am going to start by priming my eyes as usual. Since we're using some purple pastels today for our eyeshadow, I definitely want to make sure I use a white base so everything comes off as pigmented as possible. So I'm just going to start by tapping this on. Now I'm going into the In a Trance palette from ColourPop, and I'm going into the color Own Your Power first with a BH number 8 brush from the Fairy Light set. This is the kind of pastel purple shade, and we're going to put this in our crease. And I am tapping this on because a lot of people have said these shadows can be a little bit patchy, so I want to make sure that I have a good base of pigment down before I start really blending anything out. I'm just going to use little circular motions to blend this upwards. This look is really quite simple. I mean, the character, her makeup is not super crazy. It's really just purple shadows. It's just transforming my face into looking more like her is going to be the longest step of this process. So now I'm sticking with the same palette, and I'm going to the color Mind's Eye, which is this shimmery light purple on the top. And we're going to pack this all over the lid. The shade is really light, so I want to make sure I'm packing a lot of color on. So I'm working in small sections of my lid, starting from the lash line and then working my way up. I am just using little packing motions around the crease to blend it out. So now I'm going to do her eyeliner. She has kind of like the fox eye type liner where it comes in and then comes all the way out. So I'm going to try and recreate that the best that I can with my NYX liquid liner. This is my favorite liner. I've talked about it before. And it's so smooth, and the brush is the perfect width. So I did do my foundation and my concealer off camera, as well as my other liner and my lashes. So now we are going to contour our face. I am going to, where are my contouring brushes? I'm going to use this flat top contouring brush, and I'm going into the two darkest colors in my Nude Wear little quad here. And I'm going to kind of create like a triangle on my face so that I can create Meg's really sharp features. And I'll blend them out, but I just want to start with a blueprint. Do the same with my nose. Her nose is pointy, so we want to give it a pointy, lifted look. Her chin as well. Do my eyebrows. I am going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Caramel brow powder. Fill in our brows. Her brows are pretty arched and thin, so that is what I'm going to attempt to do. And now I am going to highlight. I'm going to use my stick highlighter in Lavender Lust from NYX. I'm gonna do just a dot on the tip of my nose and blend it going upward so it looks very lifted, and then natural it out a little bit with my beauty blender up around my eyes, and then same thing, just blend it with the beauty blender. For blush, I'm going to use Yummy Cookies from NYX with a little brush here. She doesn't really have like a noticeable blush, so I just went with something shimmery that would enhance the contour and kind of match my skin tone. Now for lips, I'm going to use this Lorac lipstick in Supermodel. It is kind of a dark nude pink. It comes off way lighter than it looks. This is a little stronger than her lip color. I'm gonna mute it out with some darker gloss. This is the Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie gloss in Birthday Babe. I'm gonna put on my wig and this look will be done. So this is my wig. It is 2 wigs put together. It is the same wigs I actually used for Elvira, just swapped around. So yeah, it is the big ponytail. If you guys want to see how I made the wig, I can totally do a video on that. It'll just come after Halloween, or maybe I can squeeze it in somewhere along the way. But this is my look for Meg. Meg is one of my favorite characters, so I love this look a lot. Obviously the hair is darker than hers, but I feel like it's more me with the black hair. So if you guys enjoyed this look, then make sure you subscribe and check out the rest of 31 days I've already done. I've done over a week's worth of looks, which is crazy. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.